Skyview Exteriors, your trusted roofing experts in Rhode Island. Today, we're bringing you behind the scenes of a full roof replacement right here in Johnston, Rhode Island. Our experienced crew is hard at work transforming this home, ensuring it's protected, beautiful, and built to last. If your roof is old, leaking, or damaged, this is exactly the transformation your home could need. Stay with us to see the process, from replacing the old shingles to revealing a stunning, durable new roof that boosts curb appeal and protects for decades. Our crew started by carefully preparing the site, protecting landscaping, driveways, and setting up a safe, clean work environment. Keeping your property protected during the job is always a top priority. Then we removed every single old damaged shingle to expose the roof deck underneath. Our team thoroughly inspected every inch, replacing any damaged or rotted plywood to ensure a rock-solid foundation for the new roof. Once the surface was prepped, we installed a high-performance synthetic underlayment that provides superior moisture protection compared to traditional materials. This layer is your roof's first line of defense against water infiltration. From there, our skilled installers laid down brand new architectural asphalt shingles, engineered to withstand Rhode Island's harsh winters, strong winds, and summer storms. We paid close attention to critical details like ridge vents for proper airflow, flashing around chimneys, and ice and water shield in vulnerable areas. This ensures not only a beautiful finish, but long-lasting durability. Throughout the job, we kept the site spotless, because when you hire Skyview Exteriors, you're hiring professionalism, quality, and peace of mind. Take a look at this incredible transformation. What started as an aging, worn-out roof is now a sleek, durable, and stunning upgrade. Notice how the new shingles completely elevate the home's curb appeal. Not just adding beauty, but also long-term protection and value. This roof is now fully equipped to handle Rhode Island's toughest weather. No more worrying about leaks, missing shingles, or costly repairs. Just a solid, worry-free roof that's built to last for decades. Another happy homeowner. Another job done right by Skyview Exteriors. If your roof needs repairs or a full replacement, don't wait. Call Skyview Exteriors today. Get a free estimate and experience the difference of working with Rhode Island's trusted roofing experts.